Green Art Studio. Eggshell attachment technique. Drop paint directly onto the low engraved area. Continue to use a smooth brush to paint evenly. Wait 3 minutes for the paint to become less wet. Gently place the eggshell on the painted area. Then use a hammer tap lightly to create cracks. Continue gluing the egg pieces close together. Be sure to choose a piece of eggshell with a shape that fits the space. Small gaps also need to be filled. Tap the hammer evenly so the egg sticks firmly to the base. Congratulations on your beautiful picture!